yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane.
Hello, welcome back to Life Midwife. Dorothy and I have an unpaid sponsored order from Beebeecraft.
Woohoo!
They reached out to us again.
That is awesome.
And I'm excited. So this company, there'll be a discount in the description box. This company, I am so impressed with the way that they package things. They're just so... There was
Bubble wrap like crazy.
bubble wrap, this packaging, plus all of this bubble wrap, plus I got one die set that I'll show you how they packaged that. I was really, really impressed. So, yeah, so Beebeecraft is known for their jewelry making products. However, they have lots of other things. You've seen other videos on here. I did get some jewelry making stuff. However, we're going to use it in an unconventional way.
That's going to be fun.
Yeah. So let's get started here. Okay. Out of everything that I got, I only have one complaint. And it works in the long run. However, so I needed some wood beads. And I needed either 12 millimeter or 14 millimeter. And this packaging said on their website that they were 12 millimeter. I thought, perfect. They're not. They're only, I think I measured them at 7.
Mm-hmm.
So the measurements were off. But that's okay. Because we still have, we need this size as well. So it's okay. It's okay. Let me see. I don't know that it has the price. I can't remember. Yeah, see right here it says 12 millimeter.
Yeah, but those are not.
No. So there is 1,000 unfinished wooden beads.
Yep.
And
That'll keep us out of trouble for a while. Or in trouble for a while.
oh, wait until you see what we're doing with them. Can't wait. Let me just go to the website and see if I can find these products to give you some prices, because I forget. Wood beads. Okay. So I'm going to show you. This is what the website looks. I don't want. This is what the website looks like. And if you go to the home page, there's all different categories. You can go to search and print out what you want. Or there, you go to this section right here and it gives you all the different sections to go to, you know, tools and supplies, and there's all kinds of accessories and all kinds of different things. So anyways, wood beads. Let me see if I can find them. There's so many fun beads. Oh, I just love them. Okay. I know the rate.
And the search continues.
Well, no, I could put the exact thing in. I just didn't do it. Because I thought I knew where they were. So let's just go back And we're going to go 1,000 count. There. So they were $15.27.
And that'll last for many projects.
Exactly. Exactly. And then let's open this. There is, I'm not sure how many. It says one box.
A lot.
Yeah.
I think we could safely say a lot.
So these are, and of course there's tape and more tape and more tape. They package their stuff good. These are pine cones, and they're and there's three different. There's the gold, the copper, and the silver.
Oh, that is cool.
And I thought, when I saw these, I thought garland on a Christmas tree.
Yes, the mini tree.
Yeah.
Yep.
So, see if I can find those. Yes. There is 90 pieces, so there's 30 of each color. $4.27.
Wow.
Yeah. So you can see right here. All right. Now, these are, let's do, maybe I should have done this before, but I didn't. Okay. I got two different, you can open these so we can show them. I got two different packages of these.
I'm excited about opening it.
Yeah, me too. Oh,
Okay,
this
here,
one.
you can open that one.
Okay, this bag here was, it's 158 pieces and it's $10.10.
It's stuffed. Oh, I got this one open. Okay.
And
I don't know what this is.
I'm not sure what. So let's see.
But again, talking about packaging.
Yeah, yeah. So these,
That looks like gold leaf.
I'll open it in just a second. So look at these. And again, when I saw these, I thought Christmas cottage.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
a birdhouse.
Yeah.
That, and we could,
Oh, look at this.
yep. So that's that one. We've got some different size pearls. And this, yes, this is gold leaf.
Oh my
And then
goodness.
look at all these. Can you see gingerbread house? That's what I see. And there's candy canes and snowflakes.
And
Little-
beautiful pearls.
Little red pearls.
Yeah, that is.
Isn't it? Yeah.
That was all in that one
Yeah.
bag.
Yeah. And that one was like $10.
Yeah.
So,
Oh, I can see possibilities.
yeah. Yeah, we're going to have fun with that.
Yeah. And
All
this
right.
one with the like these little balls.
Yeah.
Like, oh, yeah.
Yep. There's the gold leaf.
It's not all gonna go back in. Just so you know. I can't shut it.
So anyways, those are really cool. What are you digging out next? That? Okay.
Okay. Whoa, don't spill the drink.
Okay. Gingerbread house.
Oh, this is your packing list. How cool.
So, is this the same one? No, that's a stencil. So this is so look at how they put a piece of cardboard so that your die set doesn't get bent up.
Yeah, that's important.
And this is a gingerbread house, a die kit. Lots of intricate pieces.
Cool.
So. Oh, matter of fact, it's two different ones. This little one and then I had forgotten it was two.
Cool.
Yes. So those will be a lot of fun to play
Those
with.
will, yeah.
And I don't remember what the price of that one. Let's have a look.
Use this bag.
Oh, they have so many pretty ones too. Like, look at this poinsettia. Oh, here it is. So, these two sets, like two different houses, $7.29.
That's a pretty decent price.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep. So, and then, oh shoot, I clicked off the website. Oops.
These are little mini boxes. How many did you get?
There's, it should say on the back, 30. And, oh, you wait until you see what I'm going to do with those. Let's see. Oh boy. I can't find that one either. But anyways, I am going to make a Christmas tree advent calendar.
That would be excellent.
So that's what I'm going to do with these. So
Awesome.
stay tuned for that. We'll work on it together. There's only enough to make one, but we'll work on it together. Okay. Then, for the last item, I decided to get another one of these that I had gotten the last time because somebody on the last video said to me, instead of making it permanent, make this on a separate little cardboard or something and change out the seasons. So I'm going to take that advice. And I'll show you. I bought another one of these guys. Now the other one is a different shape, but this one is fun too. So instead of making my winter scene right on here, I'm gonna
Do a cardboard.
do a little cardboard and set
And you
it
can
on
change it out.
and change it out.
That'll be awesome. And it's very well packed in there.
Oh, like I said, the packaging is amazing. So, lots of fun projects to come in the near future. So, thank you, Beebeecraft, for reaching out to me again. There will be a code in the description box for a discount. Oh, and you get your the packing list. It comes like this, so it shows you each thing that you get,
Which is awesome.
yeah. So I'm pretty excited. All right, stay tuned for the crafting projects. Bye bye.
Yesterday